is being a AAA right now. He's coming to someone's rescue that got a flat tire. Go right there, babe, so we could see Leo getting off of the truck. Hold on, hold on. Leo. Hi, Leo. You did a really good job. Oh my God. Little baby.
Were you scared, Leo? Huh? Did you crash?
Yeah.
You did? Why? I thought you.
It was a little.
Oh, it was
Yeah,
a little hiccup.
Oh no, you're not the
You
big.
did a really good job, though.
What happened though? You couldn't see?
It's because there was a big rock.
Boy, that's why you gotta stay away from it.
That stupid big rock was in your way, huh?
Yeah.
How did that happen?
Oh, you're such a cutie pie.